So hello friends, welcome to the PowerShell playground. I'm going to share a PowerShell command with you. So if you want to create the bulk folder creation, so like if you want to create 100 folders in bulk, how can we create these folders with PowerShell with one single command? So like we want to create folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, folder 5 till folder 100. So we will create all the folders with PowerShell with a single command. How can we do that? So first of all, we have to define the condition here. Like we want to create the 100 folders. You can change the folders according to you. Like if you want to create 50 folder or 25 folders, that is up to you. So use for each object and then new item. Then we have to define the path where we want to create the folders. Like I'm creating the folders in users in my login and in downloads. And then we have to define the folder name like it's folder, and we will use dollar underscore. So this will create the folders up to 100. Then we have to use the item type is directory. Directories we are using for the folders in the PowerShell, and files we are using for the files. So once we run this command, I'm not going to run this command for now. This is the command. Once we run this command, 100 folders will be generated in the downloads directory automatically with this command.